YouTube, what up? It's your boy Jermaine coming back with another original video. Alright, so as you can probably tell by the title, it's a shoe. But I also have another package. When I came back, my Fanatics gear came. I could unbox that, do a double unboxing, or I can make two videos and have more content. So that's what I'm gonna do. Tell me, get in the comments, tell me if you want to see the Fanatics gear. I'll give you a hint. It goes with the shadows. Jordan 1 shadows. That's the only hint I'm giving you. But it's time to unbox this shoe. This is an exclusive. I don't think your favorite sneaker YouTuber is gonna have the shoe. And yeah, only niggas up here in Canada got the shoe, cause we exclusive like that. You already know. Anyways, so this is a shoe by Converse, Perks and Mini collaboration. Like these guys are like an Australian workwear brand. Yo, you know what? I'm finding a lot of these like workwear brands are now collaborating with brands. So like the other one that I had, the freaking Carhartt Nikes. Now the Perks and Minis, like, right, that's to say it's like the workwear brand in Australia, Perks and Minis. They're now collaborating with a classic, Chuck Taylor's Converse, you know. And yeah, like I find that these guys are coming together and creating pretty dope shoes. So yeah, like I had to pick these up. I ran over to Livestock to grab these. These are like the second last pair or last pair, something like that. Whatever. Yeah. You guys want to see the shoe? Alright, let's get into it. So, as you can see, MUTATION. Then we got these lovely lady eyes that are staring at you. Size is 10 because with Converse, you gotta size down because these bad boys are, you know, like, I don't know what it is with Converse. You just gotta size down. Like, it just doesn't fit properly. So, let's open the box. We got, oh shit. We got some nice wrapping up in this piece. I'm gonna show you the wrapping. But here are the shoes. God damn, bro. Woo! So it's like two Medusa heads, or no, two artwork pieces. This is dope. Inside of a lake with mountains in the background and shit. That's pretty dope. Yeah, you don't see too many of these. Obviously, it comes with some extra laces, some white ones. There's the receipt, so you know this ain't bullshit. Let's see, focus. PSY active. Not too sure. Perks and Mini. God damn, bro. Anyways, yeah. So back to the shoe. So as you can see, this shoe is made with PrimaLoft technology, isolint insulation, whatever. Man. See, the dope thing about this shoe is that it's 2-in-1. So check it. It's got this nice like coat basically on the shoe, right? It's like a coat. You see the zipper lining right here? Hold up. Let's zoom in on this bad boy. Let's get some clear shots. Stop looking at my hands, bro. Wow, this camera is being shit for some strange reason. Anyways, so yeah, it says Chuck Taylor, Converse All-Star. You already know how Chucks look if you own a pair. So yeah, you got the branding right there. The sole is a nice brown with diamond, I want to say traction. You know, looks nice. Looks nice. Very nice. Very nice. So, the dope thing about this shoe is that, like I said, it's like a coat, right? So, let's say in the springtime when it's raining and shit, you know, you throw on your coat, or in the wintertime like it is right now, throw on the coat. It's gonna keep your foot warm, but then you unzip the bad boy for, let's say, is the summer months, and you just slip off this bad boy, and bow, mutation, a P.A.M, mutation, and see, it's not even like with laces anymore, like the coat. It's like straps to keep it, and oh man, just look at that, more branding. Just, it's a nice like sock liner. Hold on, let's toss this up. Let's get this. I'm trying to get the sole out right now. Hold up, almost there. Wow! Look at this bad boy. Look how thick that shit is. Yeah. So, you know, this is going to provide some comfort. Made in Vietnam. Pretty cool. And the sole is like raised, like a raised print. Yeah, even this logo right here. But yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. It's a dope pickup. I just thought I'd show you guys this. You know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna write my name here. Nah, not really. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, another dope pickup, another dope shoe, and another original video from Jermaine, your boy. Peace. Have a God-blessed day.